What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Tonight we're in the process of making ourselves a apple cobbler for holidays. It's baking season starting up for Christmas. There'll be some baking on this channel for the next couple of videos, so we'll be looking for that. So what Rheanna's in the process of doing is she's using canned apples, apparently.
Yeah.
Yes, and some cake. We'll show you how it's all made done, and let's go and enjoy this day on the baking everything up.
So guys, I've got all my ingredients here. We are first going to start with our 2 cans of canned apples. They're very juicy and sticky, so keep that in mind. So there's one empty. Now we're going to put the second one in. So for this recipe, it calls for, like I said, 2 cans of apple pie, apple pie filling. And you're going to put that in a 13×9 baking dish. Because I'm using glass, I am not going to grease it or anything, but you could if you really wanted to. So we're going to smooth this out in the pan. Just like that. Make sure all your corners are filled. Smells good already, and I haven't done anything. Then we're going to take our cake mix. If I could have scissors that would work, that would be great. We're going to take this and we're going to sprinkle it over the top so that everything gets covered. You want to make it as even as possible so that it'll bake better. So now we're down to the last little bit. I'm just going to dump that in. And I am going to get a clean spoon. I don't want the one that already has all the apples on it. We are just going to spread that nicely over the top. Just like that. And now I am going to heat up my butter so we can get that melted.
So guys, as you can see, we are in the process of making the pie. She's just heating up the, I guess the butter for the thing. And that's what it's going to look like. We got apples in there and everything. It's going to be cake, basically.
The apples are down at the bottom, and you're going to set your oven to 350.
Yep.
So I was smart. I actually did that before I started everything, so I wouldn't forget.
Yep.
And now while I'm waiting for my butter to melt, I am just going to try to clean up a little bit here. Because it's easier to clean up as you go.
Yep, yep.
Instead of cleaning up after.
Yep. So, what else we're going to do? We'll show you the rest of it going into the oven and all that fun stuff. I keep saying that, I don't know why, but okay. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas so far. There'll be lots of more videos coming out on the channel with Christmassy stuff, right? Yeah. So, stay tuned and we'll be right back.
So there it is in the oven, and now I'm going to set the timer. Ziggy, set a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, starting now.
So our timer is on, and now we wait for 40 minutes, which will be, not 40 minutes for you, it'll be like a second. So I'll see you in a bit.
So we just put it in the oven, and we got Ziggy doing her thing. Good thing I didn't say the name.
You did.
And I did. So as you can see, we got all the Christmas lights up ready on the channel, like in the house already. And the Christmas tree. All our Christmas shopping is pretty much done. We just have to wrap up some gifts and everything.
It is done.
Oh, it is done actually. We have to wrap up the gifts and we're pretty much ready to go. So yeah, we got lots going on with the channel, so yeah. So talk to you guys in a few minutes here. Well, guys, we want to make a huge shout out to you guys, members only, for checking out this video. I could have done the video without you guys, and the support from you guys, much appreciated, right?
Yes.
And we'll see you. Well,
We're not done.
we're not
yet.
done. Yeah, we're not done. What are we talking about? This is behind.
Guys, this is literally behind the scenes because Mike has no brain today. Like, none.
Yeah, it's Christmas time. What do you expect?
Not yet.
Well, it's in a week.
Still like 2 weeks away.
Yeah. So yeah, we want to take a moment to shout you guys out for supporting the channel and bringing it
And
up.
sending our love.
Yep.
Thank you all. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do this.
Yep.
So keep watching.
Yep. Well, guys, we are in the process of getting all the stuff out of the oven. Yeah, so we'll show you in a second what's going to be coming out.
I just need Mike to hurry up and film for my channel. So yeah. Well, guys, my timer has gone off, so we're going to open up the oven door and see what it looks like. Smells good. You know what? I think I may put it back in for a couple more minutes because that doesn't quite look done.
Nope, it doesn't.
Definitely not done.
Not done? So
Definitely not done. So we are going to throw it back in the oven. I'm going to say for about, we'll go 10 minutes this time and see how that goes.
Boop, boop. There goes back in the oven.
Ziggy, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Starting now.
So we're waiting about 10 more minutes and then we're going to show you guys the rest of this, what it's going to look like. It looks like it's not even cooked, is it?
It's starting to, but I don't think the 20 minutes was long enough.
No. So yeah, we're going to go do that. We're watching our city council meeting right now, but yeah, we're going to keep going on and hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Sam was a little tired today, but she was off work today, so
It's the weather.
yeah.
It's very gloomy today.
Very, very gloomy. We went out this afternoon and didn't really do much.
Well, no, we finished our Christmas stuff.
Yes.
So,
So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Well, guys, it's out of the oven. Looks pretty good. We're making the thing for. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes and I will try it and yeah.
we don't have ice cream, but we have Cool Whip.
Yep.
So, same idea.
Yep.
Just a little tiny bit different.
Yippers. So
See you guys in a bit.
yep. Well, guys, it's the video. Okay, we'll do this again. Well, guys, the this apple cobbler is pretty much done, as you can see. We're scooping it onto the plates. We have it all over here. I'll show you guys in a second here. Right here, we have some whipping cream that we just put in there with on top. We actually don't have ice cream right now, but we're gonna try
The
to.
price of ice cream went way up
It's like $6 a pail, but anyways.
for like a little 2-liter thing.
Yeah. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with us in this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one, right?
Yes.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.